Hello students, today we are going to see the exercise number 1 in lesson 8. Mettez les phrases au style indirect. Put the sentences in the indirect speech. Ma bon dit, je suis malade. My maid says, I am sick. Je suis malade is written within quotes. That is your direct speech. Ma bon dit. Dit, that is your reporting verb. Suis, that is your direct speech verb. Reporting verb is in present tense. Whatever tense is used in the direct speech, the same tense will be used in the indirect speech. The direct speech, the maid says, I am sick. I heard the conversations. I am replying the things. Okay. I am reporting to the indirect speech. Okay. My indirect speech sentences will be my bon dit. DIT is the reporting verb. My maid says that she is sick. Ma bon dit qu'elle est malade. That she is sick. So first part you write as it is and the expressions curve, and you need to check the subject pronoun I am sick to be changed for she is sick. When the subject is je, the present tense of the verb être is changed for al. According to that, être will be changed for est. So you must see it this way how to write, and you must remember and write there. Okay. So whatever tense is used in the direct speech, the same tense is used in the indirect speech. Papa demande pourquoi Vedant pleut-il? Dad is asking why Vedantas is crying. So daddy is asking the questions. Question is in the direct speech. We have to write it in reporting with demand. Pleure in the direct speech is also in present tense. Indirect speech, pleure will be right in the present tense. Dad is asking why Vedantis is crying. So I am replying to somebody. I am reporting to you. Okay. Same things in the indirect speech to you. Dad is asking why Vedant is crying. Papa demande pourquoi Vedant pleure. See, invention is cutted there. Question mark is not in the indirect speech. Direct speech is in the question mark, but it is in the interrogative sentence. But indirect speech, it is a statement. Dad is asking why Vedant is crying. Third one. Mon frère me demande tous les jours. My brother is asking me every day. Veux-tu jouer aux cartes? Do you want to play cards? He's asking me a question. So interrogative sentence. Do you want to play cards? Is a questions form. So you have to answer. You have to start with yes or no. Okay. One is yes or no. Okay. Here, invention will be placed. Two verbs placing side by side. Vouloir and jour. Jour is in infinitive form. Vouloir is conjugated according to the tui. Reporting verb, that is demand. Reporting is asking. So they didn't say again. My brother asked me. So again, when they are repeating that, my brother is asked me. Okay. Same sentence they have to write. Ma frère me demande tous les jours. Same thing you have to write. My brother is asking me every day whether I want to play cards. Whether I want or if I want to play a card. Whether or if in French is si. My subject is changed for when brother is asking you, but when I is repeating to the others, it is I. Je. Je veux lire au quêteur. Okay. When the subject is je, first verb vouloir, they say again in the present tense in the same spelling, and the second verb is in the infinitive form, and remaining things as it is. Okay, that tui is changed for je. Indirect speech, you have to have je in the subject is the first position and vouloir verb is in the second position. Okay, whenever you have a question like this, that is do you want, like this, if you have to present the answer yes, I, if or si, if or whether. Okay. My brother is asking me whether or if I want to play cards. Third one. Le Premier Ministre explique. Fourth one. The Prime Minister explains Le pays est sous le choc. The country is in shock. The Prime Minister explains. So the Prime Minister explain as you can write as it is. And le pleu est sous le choc. The country is shock. It is in the statement. Okay. Reporting verb is in the simple present tense. The Prime Minister explains. What they explains? Country is in shocks. So again it will come. I am coming and reporting to you. The Prime Minister explains that the country is in shock. That k is added. That is enough. Other than that, nothing is changing here. Okay. The Prime Minister explained that the country is in shock. Last one. Mo wasama demo. My neighbor is asking me, comment allez-vous travail? How do you go for work? That's a question is there. I am coming and repeating to the indirect speech. What my neighbor is coming and asking me, Mo wasama demo. Comma, the same sentence I have to say. Comma, je vais. Allez-vous is changed for je vais. Au travail. So the only it is changing the things is allez-vous. It is changed for je vais. Okay. Thank you.